Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to use the compact lock screen clock on iPhone in iOS 27 or later. With iOS 27, Apple has introduced a new compact clock mode. Instead of dominating the lock screen, the clock can now be reduced to roughly the same size as the date and positioned neatly along the top of the display. This new layout gives your wallpaper much more room to shine while keeping essential information such as the time and date clearly visible. It's particularly useful if you have chosen a photo that looks best when viewed in its original composition, as the smaller clock covers significantly less of the image. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to bring up the lock screen by swiping down from the top center of the screen. Then you have to touch and hold your lock screen to bring up the wallpaper gallery. After that, you have to hit the Customize button. Then you have to select the current clock area on the lock screen to open the font and color customization panel. Then you have to tap the new icon featuring two horizontal bars in the top right corner of the panel. This switches the clock to the compact mode. Once you are satisfied with the appearance, tap anywhere outside the customization panel on the wallpaper. After that, you have to tap on the Done button in the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And finally, you can choose to set it as the wallpaper pair or customize the home screen separately depending on your needs. It's worth pointing out that the clock will shrink and move toward the top of the lock screen next to the date as soon as you enable this feature. This lets you preview the new arrangement and see how well it works with your wallpaper before committing to the change. If you decide that you prefer the original clock layout, simply return to the same font and color panel and tap the same compact mode icon again. The clock will immediately return to its previous size and position. The compact clock mode retains your existing clock customizations, including the selected font, weight, and color. You can continue adjusting these settings to match your wallpaper and overall lock screen design. However, there is one limitation to keep in mind. The liquid glass slider is not available while the clock is in the compact mode. Another important detail is that the compact mode is configured separately for each lock screen. It's not a system-wide setting that applies to every wallpaper. This means you can use the compact clock with one lock screen while keeping the larger clock on another. For example, you could create a minimalist lock screen with a compact clock for everyday use and keep the larger clock on a different lock screen associated with a specific focus mode. This gives you more flexibility to customize the appearance of each lock screen based on the wallpaper and situation. And that's all there is to it. Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to design your iPhone lock screen wallpaper to your heart's liking, and I'll catch you in the next one.